Google Search Partners, is this setting a secret budget killer for service businesses, or is it something that you want to use in your search campaigns? The setting I'm talking about is this one right here. If you've been running Google Ads or you're just setting up Google Ads, you may have seen this search partner setting. So in this video, I'm going to just run through if you should turn the search partners on, what does search partners do and mean, will it give you more clicks and more conversions, and how to change the search partners, setting, and where to find that in the Google Ads console. My name's Adrian from Grow Savvy Marketing, and I help service businesses get booked jobs using Google Ads. What is Google Ads Search Partners Network? What does it do? What does it mean? I'm going to just jump back a step and just show you what a regular search campaign is. So when you come over to Google, if you type in something up here, these are your regular search ads. These are the ads that you want to run for any service business that wants to generate leads and qualified customers. Google Search Partners, on the other hand, which is this setting, it's a collection of partner websites, and that can include YouTube, news sites, directories, smaller search engines, and they'll display your ad or your text ad on those sites. What most service businesses don't realize is that by default, Google switches this setting on, and Google's quite sneaky about it, and they leave it on, and they also leave it recommended to make you think that you really should have this on. This is a setting that you really don't want to leave on if you're running lead generation ads for your business. So if you're a local business like a plumber, electrician, dentist, lawyer, accountant, roofer, solar installer, and you want qualified leads, qualified customers coming to your website to fill out your contact form, to ask for a quote, or to buy your services, you want to be leaving this setting off. So why is this important, and why would you leave that off? Search partner clicks are usually a lot cheaper, and you might think that's a good thing, but they actually convert far worse. So you're going to get lower quality traffic, and the other issue is you can't control where these partner ads appear. They can appear on a bunch of low quality websites with little to no buying intent, and that's where the problem is, especially for local service businesses. When you run a Google search campaign like this, your ads are going to show up on Google here, and the search intent or the buying intent is actually going to be much higher. These people are going to be ready to call you, ready to book, and you're going to get just generally a much higher conversion rate, which means your cost per lead is going to be lower. With the search partner network, it's a bunch of random websites that your ad is appearing on. You don't have control over the placement. The conversion rates are going to be lower, and you're just generally going to waste your budget. So I don't recommend that for service business owners. How do we change the Google search partner settings? Come over to Google. For an existing campaign, you want to click on campaigns. You want to click on the wheel here and edit your settings. And then once that's loaded, you want to come to the network settings, which are right here. And I want to make sure this is not ticked. And while you're there, if you're running a search campaign, make sure this one is off too. You want to leave this off for most lead generation campaigns. Then we're just going to hit save. If you're just setting up a new campaign, you'll usually see a screen like this. And when you get to the network settings over here, just make sure you turn this one off and make sure you don't tick this one. And then you can just go about continuing the setup of your campaign. So that's how we turn it on and off. Just as a recap, if you're generating leads for your service business, leave Google Search Partners switched off, and so you only get the search ads. You're going to get much higher success by doing that. If you want to know how to set up your account properly and make sure that you have all the right settings ticked, download my 150-page Google Ads guide for service business owners. The link's in the description below. And if you want someone else to help you with this, to look over your account, to set up a new campaign, new lead generation campaign, you can book a call with me. Again, the link's in the description below. Thanks, guys.